Hey guys, thanks so much for joining us today. Putting a quick video together here just to kind of discuss more about what is a CPR certificate expiration, when does it expire, when do I have to renew? So again, when you get issued a certificate, that means that on the day that you took the instructor course, or if you did the online only version of this, you did the online course, that you were able to, for the online course, obviously pass the test, pass the written test, or if you did the in-person, which is the valid course, that will actually issue a full certificate for you. It has to be instructor-led. That means that on the day you went in for the in-person and you got issued that certificate, the instructor was able to identify that you were proficient in all those skills, right? Usually these organizations are all going to be a 2-year window. Okay, so whenever you get expired, so today is April 19th, 2023. All right, so that means if I got certified today, April 19th, 2025, I need to get my certificate renewed prior to that date, right? So somewhere in between that 2-year window. If it's now April 20th, 2025, I am 1 day past expiration. I'm gonna have to take a whole course over again, right? We cannot allow it to expire. We do wanna make sure that before the date written on the certificate, there will be a date printed on there. That is the date that you wanna get it done beforehand, right? You don't wanna wait till like the day of, or even the couple days leading up to it. Sometimes training providers, for whatever reason, cancel classes. So if you're like, well, April 19th, 2025, I scheduled a class, right? And then all of a sudden you get an email say, hey, sorry, class is canceled today. Instructor got sick, or the snow or the rain or the storm, whatever the case is. So again, look ahead. We usually send an email out to our individuals that come to our courses 2 months ahead of time, then again, 1 month ahead of time. That way they have plenty of time to kind of see it and be like, oh, that's great. I got the reminder. It's time to renew, right? And then they can come back and reschedule with us. So again, whatever the day you're looking at, plan ahead. Don't wait till the day of. I wouldn't even wait till the week of. Do it 2 or 3 weeks early. That's okay. It doesn't matter as long as you get it done before that expiration date. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. Hopefully you can follow some of those tips just to make sure you're not expiring on your certificate. And also, whenever you go with a training provider, ask them, hey, do you guys send a reminder, like just so I know when I got to, update my certificate? There's no harm in asking those questions, right? So again, hopefully you guys found some value in that and enjoyed the video today. Thanks.